All right, guys, today we are hitting the road and going on another thrifting expedition. I am rushing out the door to pick up my mom, and we're going on a thrifting expedition, which is when we thrift from dawn till dusk. We shop till we drop and see what we can find. We go to a bunch of thrift stores all day long, so this time I'm taking you with us, so let's go. Heading out the door. Little baby birds in the nest there. All right, we are off to get my mom. I have arrived after making a wrong turn through the jungle here. All right, let's see if my mom is ready. She's probably beyond ready, waiting for me. Ready to thrift?
I'm ready to thrift.
I have a few pitchers and a watering can like this. Price is kind of high though. I think I'm going to pass at $14.99. Milk glass, not a great reseller, but what is with the prices? Are you kidding me? At $14.99? Ass. It's kind of cute. It's like a little Italian vase. $5, a little bit more realistic. It's got some nice crackle. Muglife. You can do it. Let's try some copper. This is my week for copper. I guess it's X-rated, so they had to put some tape on it. Obviously didn't come from the Jewish mother's house. The rain has stopped. Going to the next Goodwill. It's a copper kind of day. It's kind of cute, the hammered copper. Not a huge candle person, but aren't these kind of cool? It'd be kind of fun for staging. Fish candles. Brand new redone. Mickey Mackies. It's kind of cute. Farmhouse. Oh look, it's Corky. It's Corky boy. Finding anything good?
Hi, I found one.
One thing?
This is all full of grass, but if I take it off, it'll be nice. And it'll only be $1 because it's a yellow tag.
Just not finding anything today. Maybe I need to practice that. That's interesting. I have no idea what that is. Doesn't feel like wood. Some kind of resin. $5. What would you do with that? Just put a little hanging thing on it. Oh, I guess you could. Right there. Do you want that on your wall? I feel like it needs to be painted. Interesting. I'm very disappointed today. I'm not finding anything anywhere. Sheesh. Even at our furniture place. Usually I find at least one cool thing here. What is going on? Nobody's cleaning out their garages? Too many pickers? I have no idea. All right, let's see if we find anything in here because we've been having bad luck today.
Yes.
Matching decanter and glasses. Ooh, why does that come out? It's kind of cute. Oh, pretty vase.
Here's something cute. Look at this. Mermaid, dolphin.
Strawberry salt and pepper. That's kind of cute. It's your cute little retro pattern. It's cute. Kentucky whiskey. That's nice, but 20 is a bit steep. 6. This would be cute with a tablecloth I just got. Cute little apple display. It's really cute. I like all the apple stuff. Salt and pepper. It's a cute little Longaberger. I think it was a plant basket or gift basket. It has a liner in it. So if you want to put a plant in there, you could use that. It came with Christmas candy, but then it says Happy Mother's Day. I always like the cut glass. It's so pretty. There's some more. Found some like this. They're wine glasses. It's nothing that exciting today. It's cute. It's kind of cute. Little baby teapot. Blew that candle out long ago. It's cute. $8.99. It's in a pond, but as usual, I need glasses and don't have them. It'd be really cute for flowers. Nothing, my friends, nothing. Coming out dry, not even any good copper here. Yay, yay. What is going on? The fact that they have Halloween stuff out in the summer and Christmas stuff everywhere is telling me they just don't have enough to fill the shelves, so they're pulling out their holiday stuff early. Even over here, they have a whole fall display. I don't want to see this. I'm not ready for fall. Crazy, right? Glasses and an ice bucket that matches this. But for $20, I don't think I can do it. Well, it's a bust for me again.
Well, I got some everyday dishes. It matches ours at home. So
I think I've been in, what, 3 stores and gotten nothing? I've only gotten something in 1 store.
I got something in all the stores. I'm getting ready for Grill Fest.
I'm getting ready to sell nothing on eBay.
Oh, too bad.
Just when I thought there was nothing, I found this. It is big. And big in price. How cool is that? Thank you so much for joining me today on this thrifting expedition. It's always a ton of fun going thrifting with my mom, and we always find great stuff. Stay tuned because I am going to do a thrift haul video and show you everything that I found. So until next time, ciao for now.